Welcome back. Now let's look at how to make your action plans. You can create action in all the Beesy tabs. So let's begin by giving a quick rundown of these different tabs. The To-Do tab. It allows you to visualize the actions you need to complete based on their urgency and importance. This is an essential tool for managing your daily or weekly to-do list. You then have Reports tab, Week Pause. This tab enables you to perform visual management of your activity. You can make customized reports to manage your projects or your team members. The Note tab is exactly what its name suggests, a place to take meeting notes, to generate meeting minutes, and manage meeting action plan. The Project tab allows you to structure your activity and visualize the list of actions to complete by project and goal. People allows you to create internal and external teams that work on your projects. You can also see the entire action plan for each team member. Finally, Actions allows you to view a list of your upcoming actions by type. For example, tasks to do, calls to make, meetings to organize. Now, let's look at how to make an action. For example, on the Project tab. First, select the action type you want to perform and click on it. Then, define the content of your action. The urgency and importance. The deadline. And finally, the person in charge of the action. You can also create an action in the To-Do tab on the top bar and define all of your action's characteristics, as well as the project to which she is attached. It's your turn now. You can begin creating your own actions.